Hey guys, Portia here. Welcome to my channel. I just finished this mug. I'm only about 95% happy with the way it came out. Don't know what I did wrong, but I totally need to vent. I want to talk to you guys about the Cricut vinyl that I used. So the setting that I used on my maker was Cricut Glitter Vinyl, which is, I thought that was going to cut through just fine, but it actually didn't. I had to troubleshoot a little bit to figure out what to do with the vinyl or how to get it to cut properly. So this setting did not work out at all. You see it cut straight through. This setting did not allow me to weed because it didn't cut enough. This setting just tore it up. So I think on my fourth try, I finally figured out. I put it on the holographic vinyl setting, and it was actually holographic HTV. I don't know why I chose that one, but it worked. So it's pretty much the HTV setting that it actually worked on. In addition to that, it also bled. So I never experienced bleeding like this before. You know, you live and learn, trial and error, right? So on this side of the cup, it creates a cool little shadow effect, so to speak. Everything is legible. But on this side is where it went really wrong. So where the letters are in the white section, I should be able to see white back there, but it's purple, so that kind of changes the effect, right? And then down here, it pretty much makes it illegible, but you can still read it. If it did not bleed into the gold, you could still see the gold popping through pretty well. But you get the point, right? So that's why I say I'm 95% happy with it. Maybe it might be lower, I don't know, I might be just being nice. But, you know, overall, it was definitely a learning experience. I doubt if I'll be using this vinyl again. It's not HTV, but I doubt if I'll be using this again with anything. It rips super easy, but it does not cut on the proper setting. But yeah, guys, if you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to Color Me Portia. Until next time, peace.